Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need shortcuts and a target battery percent. Open Shortcuts now. Create a new automation, choose battery level, and set the trigger percent you want. Make sure to pick rises above or falls below correctly. Choose falls below for low battery alerts. Once done, tap Next and select Add Action. This starts the automation sequence. Do not enable Ask before running. You want the phone to act automatically without confirmation, so prepare the action list next. Add a speak text action and type a clear alert like battery below 20%. Set voice and volume so you hear it even when muted. Then add play sound if you prefer a tone, choose a loud file or system sound. For redundancy, add show notification with the same message so the visual appears on screen. Once these actions are stacked, tap Next. Make sure you disable Ask before running here. This ensures automation fires without your input when the battery crosses the threshold. Finish by saving the automation and toggling Ask before running off, then confirm Done. Test the setup by simulating a drop. Manually change the trigger to a higher percent for quick testing or wait until the battery naturally crosses the threshold. If nothing happens, make sure Shortcuts has permission for notifications and background app refresh is enabled. Also check focus modes and Do Not Disturb can block alerts. If still blocked, reboot the phone and rerun the automation test to confirm it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.